I'm very excited to share with you step by step on how to draw a fashion flag with those 6 tools that we just learned. Are you ready? Let's do it! We are at Adobe Illustrator and I'm gonna share with you how I use those 6 tools in Adobe Illustrator to draw a fashion flag, okay? Again, guys, when it comes to drawing, I have to be honest with you, I'm sucks at drawing fashion by hand, okay? But with this fashion template and the Adobe Illustrator, I am drawing like a pro. Let me show you how, okay? So again, number 1, pen tool. We go to pen tool, okay? Pen tool on the left hand side here, under add anchor point tool. So again, I like to bring my tool panel out. So I'm gonna just click on this tiny arrow here. And then the tool undock, okay? Begin by click on the pen tool, okay? And then come here, then begin by click on the shoulder point, and then to the lower shoulder, and click on in the middle of the armhole, and click one more down here. Then you come down here, and you just click. Again, make sure you press escape or enter. And I like my path like no fill. So make sure this fill is on top the stroke, okay? And then click this icon here, or you can click / for no fill, okay? So now you see right here, this is almost done half of the top. So let me show you. So I'm going to use this anchor point tool here to curve. This is tool number 2, guys, anchor point tool. So I'm gonna curve this armhole right here to give it like a little curve. See right there? So the armhole just a little curve. And if you're not happy with the curve, go back here again, click on it, and then you just click it, and then now when you first started, okay? So again, you want to drag here, and you want this curve. If you're happy with the curve, let's just click off so you can see it better. See, now I'm kind of happy with the curve, okay? I'm going to, again, use the selection tool, and then marquee selects right here. And now we're going to use the reflect tool. The reflect tool is right here, or reflect tool shortcut letter O, okay? So you click on it, and this right here, hold on Alt, and then click on the center line. I like to have the preview checks so I can see when the reflects go to wherever that I can actually see. So make sure the vertical checks 90-degree angle, and then click copy. Now we're going to marquee select both of them. Oh, by the way, guys, if this side click like that, you just click off right here, then deselect it. So go back to black arrow or selection tool, then you're going to marquee select both of them, okay? Right click. We want to join twice. Join the first one with the top, and join the second time for the bottom, okay? Now we have the top. Look at that. We're not finished yet though. So now we're gonna use add anchor point tool, okay? So click on add one point here, and then we're gonna hold down shift and then down arrow. You can just down arrow is fine too, but it takes you a long time to get where you want it. I'm gonna hold down shift and then tap it down, okay? The same with the bottom. So click on add anchor point tool, and then click in the middle and use this shift, hold down shift and down arrow to get this. It's like I have my arrow set to like 1 point each time I know it. If I hold down shift, it will time that by 10. So 10 point each time I hold down shift and down arrow, okay? So now we're going to use this anchor point tool, guys, to remember the tool we used to curve the neck from letter V to letter U next, okay? Shift it to the right if you still remember. Okay, now a perfect U next. And the same with the bottom hem. Again, a top, not pointy, kind of smooth point. So again, we're gonna curve it. Now this one we're gonna curve to drag it to the left to give it curve, okay? It's hard to know sometimes whether we drag to the left or to the right. If you drag to the right and give you like a twist thing, you just, let me show you. So twist like this, that the worst thing happen is, again, go to the anchor point tool and click on that point again. It will go back to the first point that you just added. So again, this one you drag it to the left to give it a curve like that. Perfect. Okay. Now, what we need for a top is the sleeve and the back necks, okay? So we are going to use the direct selection tool. Okay, we're gonna hover over the point and you see it, okay? So the direct selection tool is selects only that point and that point alone. For fashion design, we need that tool. So when let's just click off a minute. When you click off from the objects, it's deselect. Okay, go back to direct selection tool, hover over the point, you see it. Click on it. Now that point is selected. So what we're gonna do is we're going to Control C to copy that point. Then Control F to paste in front. Now again, right click and we join, okay? So when we join here, and now we're gonna use add anchor point tool again to add 1 point right here. And I'm going to use shift and arrow again to notch it down. And now we're going to use anchor point tool to, again, drag to the left or to the right. Now we're gonna drag to the left to give it a curve, a smooth curve. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna give it a feel because again, inside the shirt, it's gonna have a little like a dark color shade. I think this is good enough. Okay. All right. Oh, I have to fix that a little bit. I hate it when it's not equal. So again, I'm gonna try and make it kind of okay, much better. Okay. So now we're gonna give a top a sleeve. Again, we are going to use the direct selection tool guide. Click on it and hover over this point right here, okay? So we're gonna hover over and then click on it. And again, what we're gonna do? Control C to copy. Control paste to paste in front. And now we're gonna right click and join. Okay, see now right here, again, we're gonna use add anchor point tool. We're gonna add 2 points, one right here and one right here. And now we're gonna go back to the direct selection tool, click on it, and we're going to drag the path, okay? Okay, let's say we want to kind of level these. Okay, and now we're gonna drag the top points. Okay, now we're gonna click off to deselect it. I'm going to use this selection tool here, and we're gonna select the sleeve. Select just the sleeve, okay guys? And now we're gonna go to reflect tool, and we're gonna hold on Alt and then click on the center line here. That's what I just did. Make sure it's a vertical 90 degrees, and again click on the copy button here. Now you have two sleeves. Okay, let me get with a color. Blah blah blah. Because right now is okay. I just want to select here and give it. Let's see what color we're gonna need. Send it flat. Okay, so we just complete our top. However though, if we look at closely, you see this pointy thing right here? So again, as the fabric works, we would have a top that have like a smooth look. And the thing on how to fix that is we are going to select the whole top right here. Okay, then go to stroke panel and you click on right here the arrow here to expand the stroke, and we want to select round cap and a round corner to give a top a smooth stroke. So let me go back to close. See how now a top have this smooth, super smooth stroke? Because the round cap and round corner give a stroke a smooth looks, okay? And that how you use the 6 important tools in Adobe Illustrator to draw the fashion flag. If you think this video is useful, please click on the like and subscribe button below for more useful contents. Thanks for watching Designista. I'm Rose, and you can design anything.